Good evening friends, welcome to the series of organic chemistry important questions. Dear friends, today we are going to see some important questions from organic chemistry. From name reactions, there are 4 name reactions now I am going to discuss. Number 1, aldol reaction. Number 2, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Number 3, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Number 4, cumin hydroperoxide reaction. At the same time, we are going to learn some conversions of halogenation of alcohol using aluminum chloride, acylation of amine using acetic anhydride, and functional group tests of DNP test, iodoform test, azo dye test, and aromaticity, that is Eccles aromatic rule. Please subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Dear friends, let us start the live webinar. If you have any questions, please write, and those who are watching, please write hi or good evening something so that I can answer your questions. Let us start the questions. Question number 1. The major product formed in the following reaction is, what is the reaction? Reaction of acetaldehyde with acetophenone in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. It gives rise to, yes friends, what is this reaction? This reaction is aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. What is aldol condensation reaction? Carbonyl compounds having alpha hydrogens undergoes aldol reaction. Yes friends, this is alpha carbon to acetaldehyde. This is alpha carbon to acetophenone. Among these two, there is chance of undergoing addition reaction of both this methyl and this methyl. However, when you compare the acidity of this methyl, and if this acetaldehyde undergoes self condensation, it going to form this product, whereas this is, if the aldehyde of this attacks here, it is going to give this, right? Whereas this is the compound which is from self condensation of acetophenone. Dear friends, all the 4 compounds are chances are there to form in aldol reaction, but they are asking major product. This is keyword friends of this question is major product. What is the major product? This is the major product. What happens if I heat this compound? It is not given. If at all, if I heat this compound, what is going to form? Yes friends, it is going to lose water. Yes, it is going to lose water to give rise to it requires some H plus ions. It is going to give a double bond compound. What it is going to give? A double bond compound of this, right? This is the compound it is going to give. So the option number 3 is correct option friends. Aldol reaction is going to give CC bond formed compound. So the option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, the major product of the following reaction is, dear friends, again they are asking a major product. What is the product? Yes, starting materials are gamma butyrolactone with orthocresol or 2-methylphenol in presence of aluminum chloride upon heating gives rise to what? Let us see. What is the first reaction? Yes friends, we know that esters upon heating in presence of aluminum chloride and phenol or toluene, it is going to undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Dear friends, this hydroxy group orients the incoming acyl group to ortho para, and this methyl also, this is ortho to hydroxy, this is para to hydroxy, but with respect to methyl, this is para and this is ortho. So methyl directs the incoming carbonyl group to give para to methyl. So acylation takes place para to methyl group. Next, is it going to stop here? No friends. Further, it undergoes, this hydroxy group is going to convert into chlorine. Halogenation of alcohol to chlorine in presence of aluminum chloride is known friends. So use of aluminum chloride, this alcohol turns into chlorine. We know that when this chlorine is ready in presence of aluminum chloride, alkyl halide and benzene undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this chloride is going to attack here. Again here a question comes. What is that? There is chance to cyclize here ortho to OH and para to OH. Which is going to be major product? Yes friends, para substitution para compound is going to be major product. Why? Ortho is sterically hindered. So para is going to form more. So the major product of this reaction is, this is para to methyl is acyl group, and hydroxy, para to hydroxy is this cyclization compound. What is the compound here? Yes, methyl to cyclize here and para to is here. So option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 3. The major product obtained in the following reaction is, again major product. What is the product? What is the starting material? Yes, this is phenyl ring, and there is a hydroxy group is there and amine group is there, and they are doing acetic anhydride pyridine, only one equivalent friends. So acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine undergoes acylation. There are two groups, OH and amine group, but they are using only one equivalent among these two, which is going to undergo acylation. Dear friends, to differentiate the acylation where it is goes, we should know which is more basic among alcohol, amine. Which is more basic? Is it alcohol is more basic or amines are more basic? Amines are more basic, right friends? Since amines are more basic, it undergoes acylation over prior to this OH. So the product is going to be this friends, that is fourth product. What it is? Acyl amide. Acyl amide will be formed since we are using only one equivalent. If I use two equivalents, this O also undergoes acylation to give OAC, but we are using only one equivalent, it gives only estamide of amine. Yes friends, this type of reactions you might have seen in paracetamol preparation. Paracetamol, what is paracetamol? Yes friends, paracetamol can be prepared like this, isn't it? You might have remember, this is benzene for example. So OH and amine, starting metal is amine, ester. This is para, hydroxy and lin. So acylation gives NHAC. So para estaminophenol. Para estaminophenol is paracetamol. This is how you can remember this reaction. So among this hydroxy and amine, which is going to form more? Amine acetyl group. So the option number 4 is correct option friends. Next, the major product of the following reaction is, dear friends, the starting material is 2-ethyl or orthoethyl benjamide. Orthoethyl benjamide. They are doing the reaction with bromine in presence of light, followed by treating with base, that is KOH. What is the first reaction? Yes friends, we know that bromine in presence of light, it is a free radical reaction. Free radical bromination takes place at what position of benzene? Benzylic position. This is benzylic position. So here bromination takes place. Where bromination takes place? This benzylic position bromination takes place. Yes, we have this bromo compound in our hand. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to treat with KOH. We are going to treat KOH. Yes friends, what it is going to do? Yes, substitution takes place. So dilute KOH, when we use it, undergoes substitution reaction, not elimination reaction. So it undergoes substitution reaction to give this amide. What is the answer? Yes friends, this is the answer. Option number 3 is correct option friends. Remaining options, are they going to be correct? No friends. Option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, the correct match between item 1 and item 2. What is this? They have given item 1 and item 2. A, benzaldehyde, alumina, acetonitrile. What about item 2s? What are they? Yes friends, mobile phase, adsorbate. Dear friends, it is very simple to answer this question, this type of question. What they are asking? Yes friends, they are asking benzaldehyde. What it is? Benzaldehyde is it going to be adsorbent or adsorbate? Adsorb, right? This is another amino acid, that is second amino acid, and this is remaining third amino acid. Dear friends, let us see what is the first amino acid. What is this? How many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon means, yes, valine. 5 carbon amino acid is valine, right? So valine is first option. Next, what is this? Serine. This is serine friends. What is this? Serine. Second option is serine, followed by 309. What is this? 309. This is 309 hydroxy, and one methyl is extra with respect to serine. This 309 consists of one methyl extra. So valine, serine, 309 is correct option, friends. It is very simple. If you know how to break and know the structures, it is very simple to answer this type of questions, isn't it? Next, so the option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 7. The products formed in the reaction of cumene with oxygen followed by treatment with dilute HCl. Dear friends, this question is also asked in NEET also. NEET 2019. Yes, this question is there in NEET also. National Entrance Eligibility Test of MBBS and BDS. Yes, friends, this same question repeated in NEET also. So let us see. What is this? The products formed in the reaction of cumene with oxygen followed by treatment. Do you know the structure of cumene? Yes, friends, it is very simple. Cumene is this isopropyl benzene. Yes, isopropyl benzene is nothing but cumene. What happens? Cumene in presence of aerial oxidation? Yes, it undergoes free radical reaction to give hydroperoxide, cumene hydroperoxide. This is very, very important, friends. Please remember this hydroperoxide, structure of this cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide in presence of H plus, what they are treating? H plus, that is HCl. They are treating with HCl. Yes, cumene followed by aerial oxidation followed by HCl reaction. It takes H plus ions and loses water. Yes, this is the rearrangement. This is a key step. This is a key step. It is rearrangement of phenyl group upon to oxygen. This is very, very important, friends. So cumene hydroperoxide rearranges to this type of ether type linkage. Then what is there? Yes, this plus cation adds to water and it loses again this, or this loses H plus, and this is nothing but this is the compound. It is going to form phenol and acetone. Phenol and acetone. What is the option? Yes, friends, option number 3 is correct option, friends, right? So it is very simple, friends. If you know the structure of cumene, it is going to give aerial oxidation is going to form hydroperoxide. This is cumene hydroperoxide reaction. It is there in NCERT books, right, friends? Next, so the option number 3 is correct option, friends. Next question number 8. The tests performed on compound X and their inferences are, they have taken one X compound and they are testing with 2,4-DNP. What is 2,4-DNP? 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. What it is used for? It is used to detect carbonyl compounds. What are the carbonyl compounds? Yes, ketones and aldehydes. This 2,4-DNP test is giving colored precipitate. So that compound is going to have carbonyl compound. Yes, carbonyl compound. So the option 2 is going to be correct option, friends. It has methyl ketone, that is carbonyl compound, 2,4-DNP test. Yes, so methyl ketone gives iodoform test done with iodine with KOH. Whereas azo dye test, there is no dye formation. Dear friends, azo dye test is positive to the compounds of anilines. This compound gives azo dye test. This compound gives azo dye test, right? So this also do not give. But if you compare these 2 and 4, so iodoform test is differentiating. This 2 and 4, yes, azo dye test is negative to 2 and 4, whereas 2,4-DNP is positive to both. But which is differentiating? Iodoform test. Whereas option number 2 is positive, whereas this option number 4 is negative. So based on these 3 tests, you can identify the X compound as 2, right? NN dimethyl ortho NN dimethyl acetophenone. So the option number 2 is correct option, friends. Next, again, question number 9. Which of the following compounds is not aromatic? Dear friends, it is a repeated question in all competitive exams. What they are asking? Not aromatic. Please concentrate on this. Not aromatic. What is the what are the options? Yes, option number 1 is pentadienyl carbocation, pyrrole. Yes, pyridine, pentadienyl carbanion. So among these 4, we know Huckel's rule. What is Huckel's rule? If a cyclic planar molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electrons, it is considered aromatic. Among these 4 compounds, let us see how many pi electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. So if it is 4, is it aromatic? No. So yes friends. So what about first compound? There are only 4 pi electrons. In second period 6 pi electrons. In third 6 pi electrons. In 4 6 pi electrons. So this is aromatic. This is aromatic. This is aromatic. They are asking not aromatic. So the option number 1 is going to our correct option friends. So the option number 1 is pentadienyl carbocation is not aromatic. So the option number 1 is correct option friends. Next, the increasing basicity order of the following compounds. Dear friends, we know that basicity depends on several factors. Among them important factors are 4. Let us see. So they have given options: ethylamine, diethylamine, right? So this is trimethylamine and phenylmethylamine. Among these 4, yes, we know that basicity depends on 4 factors. First one is hybridization. Let us see the hybridization. sp3, 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 all are sp3. We know that sp3 hybridized molecules or amines are more basic than sp2, then sp, but all are here sp only. You cannot differentiate the strength of basicity based on hybridization here. Next, what is the factor? Inductive effect. Dear friends, if this is substituted with, this is positive inductive effect. Ethyl groups are positive inductive affecting groups. This is also positive diethyl compound. Yes, here it is. And trimethyl, 3 inductive affecting groups are there, plus inductive affecting groups. And here 1 methyl group is plus I affecting group. So if the compound have more inductive affecting groups, that is positive inductive affecting groups, that compound is going to be more basic, right? But at the same time it must be sterically free, or availability of lone pair is very easy. There should be no steric hindrance. Let us see. Yes, it is based on inductive effect, it should be more basic, but is it free? No, it is sterically hindered. What about this? Yes, it is free, and 2 ethyl groups are there, inductive affecting groups. So this is going to be more basic. This is going to be more basic. Next, what? Yes, this is sterically hindered, but whereas this is sterically free, and one inductive affecting group is there. So B is first, more basic, that is diethylamine, followed by ethylamine, followed by this trimethyl. Whereas phenyl, yes, it is sterically hindered because of this phenyl resonance. So this lone pair of electrons are going to be participate in resonance, right friends? So they are thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. And all these questions are actually appeared in joint entrance examination main chemistry 2019, that is 9th January shift 2 paper. What are the questions? Aldol reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, cumene hydroperoxide, halogenation of alcohol using aluminum chloride, acylation of amine using acetic anhydride, 2,4-DNP test, iodoform test, azodite test, Huckel's aromatic rule. Target IIT 2020 JEE main chemistry NTA computer based test free access. In that book there is a link, http entering. Yes friends, this is how you can open this test. All these questions are original NTA test, that is JEE mains. Yes friends, you can practice this test online free. If you buy this book, you will get links in that book. Number 1 is correct option friends. Once you finish, you can submit this button, and there you will get answers and analysis of your questions and marks. Submitting, you can go down and check all your question answers. Yes, dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button.